shows that they were spending time with other people involved with Burisma. So it's a patently ridiculous position, and I think it's one of the reasons the Senate needs to look at this, and we need to look at financial records and see the communications that Joe Biden had with Ukrainian and Chinese.
Okay, a couple things here. Let's run this down. This is from January of 2018, okay? About not quite 2 years ago, when he explained the movement, the action he took against the prosecutor in Ukraine.
I'm telling you, not getting $1 billion. I said, I'm getting $1 billion. I'm going to be leaving the air. I think it was about 6 hours. I looked at it, it was 6 hours. If the prosecutor's not fired, you're not getting the money.
We've seen that a couple times here. Well, I'm going to get to it. I want to get the president playback tape, so we'll play that for our viewers when we get back here. But what he said yesterday in Nevada, Peter, is that he wasn't looking to get rid of he was looking to get rid of a bad prosecutor and replace him with a tough prosecutor in Ukraine. And all these claims about violations do not fly.
Yeah, I mean, here's the problem. He doesn't say in that clip that the prosecutor was investigating his son. And this argument that he was a bad prosecutor, if you wanted to get rid of him, is irrelevant. The matter is that they were investigating his son, and he wanted that prosecutor fired. It was entirely inappropriate, and may have caused some crimes.
That's a very sweet money. Gmail account?
Yes.
Gmail?
Gmail.
Okay.
It's not that kind of language. Donald Trump was
okay, go to Google.
He was using coded language. Anybody who's followed Donald Trump for 6 months knows he does not speak in coded words and does not hint at things. He's very direct and bold. And I think it's important to draw the distinction between those two sets of conversations.
He seems to think that the president's attacks are merely based on his concern about how Joe Biden may beat him in 2020. So we'll hear from the president in a moment. He is expected to bring up China, a rough type of what we are about to hear. Biden going down, you may very well find other countries like Ukraine and China scammed the United States. China deals with people like Biden. We'll hear from the president in just a moment. Peter Schweizer, we appreciate you joining us.